In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved passwords on Chrome. If you want to remove passwords that Chrome has stored for your websites and apps, this is a very simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it in just a few moments. This can be useful if you no longer want Chrome to remember certain logins, if you're using a shared computer, or if you simply want to clean up old saved information that you don't need anymore. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're on the main browser window so you can access the settings easily. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. After the menu appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage different parts of your browser, including privacy, appearance, and saved login information. If you've never been here before, don't worry. Everything is organized into sections, and the area we need is easy to find. Inside Settings, look for the section called Autofill and Passwords, and click on it. This is the place where Chrome stores and manages things like saved addresses, payment methods, and of course, your saved passwords. Once you open that section, select the Passwords area to view the login details Chrome has remembered for different websites. Here, you'll be able to see the various passwords that are currently saved in Chrome. Usually, they'll be listed alongside the website or service they belong to, so you can quickly identify which ones you want to remove. Take your time and review the list carefully, especially if you have a lot of saved accounts. When you find a password you want to delete, use the available Delete or Remove option next to that saved entry. Chrome will then remove that password from its saved list, which means it will no longer automatically fill in that login the next time you visit that site. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other saved passwords you want to delete. And that's it. That's how to delete saved passwords on Chrome. As a quick tip, after removing saved passwords, make sure you still know your login details before signing out of important accounts, especially if you won't have Chrome remembering them for you anymore. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same path in Chrome anytime you want to review or manage your saved passwords.